Now onto something easier. Time. Who likes time? Time's pretty good, all right? Also, fun fact, it's very annoying. You guys ever have me on a Sunday for the trial test review and you just hear like a beep, 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 beep? You know why? Because I have this watch and it just beeps and I don't know how to make it stop beeping. Like it just randomly starts beeping. I'm not kidding. As you can see, I haven't changed the time. It says 6:10, but it's actually 7:10 right now because I didn't change it from daylight savings. But yeah, sometimes it just randomly starts going beep, 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 beep. And everyone in my class is like, Miss Anna, what's going on? And I'm like, it's not me, guys. It's the watch. So there you go. If you ever hear that, you know what it is. Got it? All right, cool. Let's go through it. It's a pretty nice watch, though. I like it. Do you guys have it too? It's pretty common. Just like a cute little watch. All right. Anyways, let's go through the units of time. All right, let's go through the basics. 1 year is how many days? How many days, guys? How many days? Yeah, look, there's a couple answers. It could be 365. It could be 366. Technically, it is 365 and a quarter days. So what we do in questions is we always specify, okay? The question will never make you guess, yeah? The question will tell you if it's a leap year or not. Okay, so don't worry, you never have to guess it. The question will tell you if it's a leap year or if it's not a leap year. Cool? Amazing. So if it's not a leap year, it's 365, and then every 4 years, we make it 366 days. Now, if you ever wondered, why is it every 4 years? Because a quarter times 4 is 1 extra day. That's why. It actually makes perfect sense if you think about it. So don't worry, guys. They have to tell you. Because if they don't, then there's multiple correct answers. And they can only have one answer at the end of the day. So they will tell you. Don't worry. Okay? All right. Next. 1 year is how many weeks? Who can tell me? 1 year is how many weeks? Anyone know? Good. 52 weeks. Fantastic. All right. 1 week is how many days? 7 days. Awesome. Okay. 1 day is how many hours? How many hours? Good. 24 hours. All right. 1 hour is how many minutes? 60. And 1 minute is how many seconds? 60 seconds. Awesome. So, pretty chill so far. Who agrees? Anything new here? Anyone confused? Anything at all? No? Cool. You do have to know the number of days in each month, okay? There's a couple of tricks for this, all right? So what you can do is you could do the knuckle trick for the months of the year. Again, I'm just going to try and find a photo of knuckles, all right? Because it's easier than me just doing this to the camera. You guys all see this? Why is it so small? Ah, there it is. So literally what you can do if you'd like is just put your knuckles together, okay? You start off at the top. So January, if it's on a knuckle, it has 31 days. If it's not on a knuckle, then it has less than 31. So January, February is not on a knuckle, so it's got less. It's actually the special one, 28, 29, okay? March, 31. April, 30. May, 31. June, 30. July, 31. Then you're like this, right? You go to the next hand. So now you're going to have August also has 31. September has 30. October has 31. November has 30. And December has 31. Key point, okay? If you want to recount, you must start from the beginning, okay? You can't go here and do January, otherwise you're going to get it wrong. Okay? Does that make sense? Any problems? Any confusions? Yeah? All good? All right. Fantastic. Very, 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 very good. All right. Now, do you guys want to hear a little fun fact? Let's do a fun fact, okay? So, as I'm sure you all know, it's a little bit strange, okay, as you can see, that we have 31 days and then 31 days again. Like, why couldn't they just do 31, 30, 31, 30? Why couldn't they just keep this pattern? Do you want to know why? Yeah, here's a fun little history fact, okay? Here's why it's a little bit strange. Basically, you can kind of think of it in terms of who they're named after, okay? So, as you know, or as you might know, okay, July is named after a very famous Roman emperor. Who knows? Who is July named after? Anyone want to guess? Yeah, Julius Caesar. Fantastic. Okay? And August was named after another very important guy. His name was Augustus. Okay? Basically, Augustus wants to be as important as Caesar, so he's like, give me 31 days too. That's basically the story. So it was basically all just Roman politics. That's it. Just Roman politics. Okay? That's it. They renamed them after themselves. What? Oh, what happened to my screen? What? Hello? Okay, let me try that again. What happened? Can you guys see, or is my screen black for everyone as well? Because it looks black for me. Is that just... What? We were doing so well. Why is it doing that to me? All right, let me try fix this, guys. Just give me a second. I was so hyped too. We were doing so well. Oh, whatever. But yeah, it's not... My iPad is still working. Like, I can see it here. But I can't see it on the screen. All right, let me try fix it. Let me try fix it, guys. Give me 1 sec. Oh, that's so annoying. But yeah, they had to take a day from 1 month, so they took it from February. Poor February now just has less days. That's kind of the logic. Okay? Does that make sense? Yeah? Any questions? Any problems? All good? Oh, there you go. There's my screen. All right. Can you guys see this now? Can everyone see it? Perfect. Very good. At least it didn't take too long. All right, that's pretty much all the unit conversions I wanted to tell you. Now, last thing I want to show you, I'm going to show you in the homework questions. I'm going to show you how to convert between combinations of units. Okay, so let me show you over here. All right, let's start with question number 3. All right, and don't worry, I'm going to give you the answers. So a weather station balloon travels a distance of 6 kilometers in 100 days. So how many meters in 1 hour? So you're going to do 2 changes here, guys. First change is kilometers to meters, and second change is days to hours. So let's do this together. The easiest way that I like to do this, guys, is I like to write it as a fraction, okay? So you just do this. 6 kilometers over 100 days, okay? And you want to get it to 1 hour, all right? So let's just do the conversion. First of all, 6 kilometers, yeah? 6 kilometers is how many meters? How many meters? That's easy. 6,000 meters. Everyone agree with me so far? So I've just done a step by step. 6 kilometers, 6,000 meters. All right. Now we know that 1 day is 24 hours. So 100 days is going to be how many hours? 24 with 2 zeros. Cool. So that is the second unit conversion done. Now let's actually go ahead and simplify this, guys. Let's do some bit of canceling. 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's fix this up. 60 over 24. Well, I can divide this by 12. And so I get 5 over 2 meters per hour, which is 2.5 meters per hour. So what's the answer? In 1 hour, how much do you do? 2.5 meters. Does that make sense? That's it. As long as you approach it step by step, it's actually not as bad as it initially looks. Any questions about this? Anyone who's like, Miss Anna, I don't know what you just did. Just to reiterate, all we did is we did it step by step. We converted kilometers to meters. That was step 1. Step 2 is make it from days to hours. And then I just simplified it. I just simplified the fraction. That's it. Is that okay, everyone? So let me write down the answers. Where do I have it? Over here. We said question 3. Oops, I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. Question 3, the answer is B. Sounds good, everyone? All right, next. Next. Let me find my list of tricky questions again. Question 4. The USS Enterprise travels to a nearby star system at a speed of 48,000 meters per second. That is speedy. Who agrees? That's pretty fast. All right. How fast was it traveling in kilometers per hour? So let's write it down. 48,000 meters in 1 second. Let's do it step by step. So first of all, let's get this to kilometers. Who can help me with that, guys? Who can help me with this? Oops. There you go. We know that 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer. Yes, everyone? Everyone agree with that? Cool. So now that means 48,000. Well, this 1,000 is the same. It's just going to be 48 kilometers. Making sense, everyone? So everyone okay with the first conversion? Yes? Cool. Now here is where people get very confused. Okay? 1 second is how many hours? Well, remember, what we do know is that 1 hour is 60 minutes, and each minute is 60 seconds. So 1 hour is 60 times 60 seconds, which is 3,600 seconds. But remember, we have 1 second, not 1 hour. So we're not going to put 3,600 here. It's going to be 1 divided by 3,600.